Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is 2000 and actually from 2007, 8, 9, Nissan Altima, Nissan Maxima, they usually have a problem of noise starting. For example, this car here, when you come to start the car, you push the button and nothing will come up, like only maybe no key, the dashboard will never come on at all. If you have this problem, and then what you're gonna notice that door lock and unlock are working. Door lock and unlock, they work. You see now it's working. But the ignition will never turn on. If you have anything like a screwdriver or anything, you see this piece here, or a hammer or a small thing, try to hit this box. Hit it a little bit while you're pushing the switch. It will turn on. If it turn on, it will start, but try to replace it as soon as possible. Right now, this one here is not good. The first time it start, the second time it never start. The dealer, before you change it, this piece costs about almost $500, $550, $600, including installation and programming. Oh, if you get it from the dealer, you just plug and play, because they annulate this one. This one is not available anymore. This piece here, so it's just a box. I don't know why they charge a lot of money for bypass. This one have a more here. The new one, they don't have a more. And also there is a recall about it or a warranty about it. If you have a problem like this, before you spend any money, try to check with your dealer. If you have a warranty, you may take it back and they replace it for you for free. It has two screws in this area here. See one screw here? They go here, you see? They go here, and you have to have something like a sigil to hit it and open it. It will not come out by itself. After you open it, if you're lucky, it will start. You see, like push the brake. I'm gonna push the brake here and push the button. You see, my car is start here now. I have no problem with it at all. So if it start, what you need to do, I put a used one. It work. You see that the connector. We have no problem with it. So this is the idea of what happened to those Nissan. Suddenly you come in and you try to turn the ignition on, the ignition will not turn, and also their windows. The windows, nothing work. Also, if you're driving a Nissan, try your best to, if you stop your car, like you want to go buy something from the store, or you want to feel like you want to turn the key off, please, all the people who are driving Nissan, Altima, Maxima, Infinity, with this module, with those kind of remote, try to wind up your windows, because you may go with the window open, you come back, the car doesn't start and the window never go up. Just to avoid that, put the window up all the time, so that to be in a safe side. Okay, that's the only thing that I can tell you for now. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.